Let's talk about the order in which you apply your skincare product. I'm Lisa De Ligori with Simple Beauty Minerals, clean, effective, natural beauty, a smaller, more personal beauty brand. Before you apply your skincare products, you want to cleanse, tone, and exfoliate. Of course, choosing the products that are best for your skin type and your lifestyle. And of course, there are the days that you may not exfoliate. You may not do a daily exfoliation. So keep that in mind. These are general rules. Also know that there are always exceptions to the rules. Your skin is now prepped. Now here is where you apply the general guideline. You're going to go from your lightest weight products to your richest, most emollient, thicker in consistency products. Typically, your serums are the lightest. So you're going to apply your serum on your freshly prepped skin. They're going to go on first. And from there, you're going to apply any serum or treatment that is a little bit richer. And the last thing you're going to do is follow up with your heaviest treatment product. That is the last product that is going to go on before you go to bed. Again, always exceptions. And of course, this is also in the AM, except the last product in the morning is what? Your sunscreen. And my recommendation for you with Simple Beauty Minerals is use your vitamin C serum in the morning underneath your sunscreen. And in the evening is when you use your Brighteners, Bright On Brightening Serum, your resveratrol peptide serum with your peptides, your Behave retinol moisturizing lotion, best in the evening, and embellished treatment powder is great in the evening as well. Also, it's great in the AM, during the day, as a treatment makeup product, as a primer, as even a finish powder. Be sure to check out the blog post on the simplebeautyminerals.com beauty blog. It is called, hang on, How to Apply Your Skincare Products in the Best Order. How creative of a title is that?